Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and you're watching the detailed camera review of the new Vivo V15 Pro. The Vivo V15 Pro is the latest offering under the V series from Vivo in India, and this is the successor of the hugely popular V11 Pro. It comes with quite good hardware along with the new Snapdragon 675 octa-core chipset. It also packs a triple camera on the rear panel and a pop-up 32 megapixel selfie camera. So how does the camera on the Vivo V15 Pro performs? Let's find out in this detailed camera review. So in terms of the camera hardware, the Vivo V15 Pro comes with a 48 megapixel Samsung sensor with an f-stop 1.8 aperture. It uses professional 4-in-1 pixel technology to combine 4 adjacent pixels into a single 1.6 micron large pixel, delivering high quality 12 megapixel photos. There is also a secondary 8 megapixel 120 degree wide angle camera and also a third 5 megapixel shooter for depth sensing. There is also an LED flash included. On the front panel, the Vivo V15 Pro comes with a 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera which is similar to the one we had on the Vivo Nex. It comes with f-stop 2.0 aperture and screen flash is included for low light selfies. So that's the camera hardware of the Vivo V15 Pro. Now let's have a look at the photos taken. The camera interface of the Vivo V15 Pro has few changes, and there is a new wide angle camera and also the aperture mode which can take pictures with f-stop 0.95 to f-stop 16. Talking about the daylight captures, the photos taken with a 12 megapixel resolution have come good with good details and color reproduction. There is also AI mode which when enabled detects the scene, but at the same time colors are a bit saturated. It is best to take pictures in regular mode. In photo mode, the pictures have good color reproduction as well, which we have seen already on few smartphones from Vivo launched in 2018. The overall clarity offered by the 48 megapixel shooter is good. There is also a 48 megapixel mode available, which when turned on gives you great details and excellent sharpness levels, and probably the best we have seen in terms of details in this price segment. The close-up shots have also come really well with good details and sharpness levels. The color reproduction is also good on this device. The dynamic range is also good, and there is an auto HDR option available from the interface, which is probably the best option to go with. The 8 megapixel wide angle camera can take 120 degree wide angle shots and the colors looks quite good, but the details are not as sharp as the primary sensor, which is quite understandable. Moving to the portrait mode, the phone uses the 5 megapixel sensor for edge detection. The portraits have come good in quality and the edge detection is also good, but then it adds a blur towards the edges, creating an undesirable effect at times. Moving to the low light images. Here again, the Vivo V15 Pro impresses us with good imaging abilities in low light conditions. The f1.8 aperture provides adequate details with lesser noise levels. The colors are also good in the low light captures. There is also a dedicated night mode on offer which takes around 2 to 3 seconds to capture the images. The night mode brings a lot of details to the images and noise levels is very less. The night mode is definitely impressive on the Vivo V15 Pro. So this is the rear camera sample taken with the Vivo V15 Pro, which can record both in 1080p resolution as well as 4K resolution. So this is the 1080p resolution which we have been shooting using the rear camera, and there is also electronic image stabilization on offer for the rear camera. So the footage looks pretty good. You can judge yourself how good the clarity of the video is, and also the audio output from the rear camera sample taken with the Vivo V15 Pro. So this is the 4K video recording taken using the rear camera on the Vivo V15 Pro. So it can record videos in 4K, both 30 and 60 FPS, but unfortunately EIS is not supported in 4K resolution, but the footage definitely looks good details and good color reproduction as well. Finally, the selfie experience. The 32 megapixel f2.0 camera on the Vivo V15 Pro takes great selfies. It has also great details on offer along with skin tones. Since selfies are more of a personal choice, we would leave it to your viewers to decide how good the experience is. We found it to be good in terms of the sharpness and colors. The dynamic range in selfies is also good. The low LED selfie performance and with screen flash is again pretty good. The Vivo V15 Pro offers portrait mode for selfie camera, and here again it is good, and the edge detection seems to have improved and it works pretty well. So this is the front facing camera sample taken with the Vivo V15 Pro, which is a 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. It can record videos in 1080p resolution, and you can judge yourself how good the clarity of the video is and also the audio output from the front camera on the Vivo V15 Pro. So summing up, how good is the camera on the Vivo V15 Pro? In 2018, Vivo was one of the brands which impressed us with innovation and great camera performance. The Vivo V11 Pro was a stellar camera performer, and with Vivo V15 Pro, Vivo has taken a step ahead and made the camera even better, and there is also support for EIS, which makes it a sweet deal for anyone looking for great camera performance in this price segment. For selfie lovers, the 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera won't disappoint, and the 48 megapixel rear camera sensor takes great details. So that's it for the camera review of the Vivo V15 Pro. So what do you think about the camera on the Vivo V15 Pro after having a look at these images? Share in your thoughts in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is Namal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.